All right, so let me tell you something. If you are trying to make extra money from home, okay, if you are trying to earn money online, one of the best method to do that is called affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a business system where you promote other companies' products. And whenever a sale is made, you are paid commissions. That is how I earn extra income from home. All right, that's how I make money, by promoting multiple products online and then earning commission, and I'm able to take care of my bills and other expenses, right? Now, look at the amount of commission I made with this particular program. Can you look at this? $34,353. Can you see that? That is how much I made just promoting this particular product. And you can see my name here, and that's my picture. So this is my account. And look at the way the payments have been coming in, right? Look, let me just quickly show you that so that you get to understand what I'm explaining here. Now, let's look at that. Look at this. $20 payment, $228 payment, $20, $40, $40, $108, $120, $20, $60, $20. You see the way the payments are coming in, and they all lead to me making as much as $34,353. Now, and that is the power of affiliate marketing, right? Let me show you another program here. Now, look at this program, and this is a program I recommend for you, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, this program, you can see how much I have made already. $9,401. Think about that. $9,401. And you'll be thinking, wow, this must cost you a lot of money to be part of, right? No, I will tell you the cost. But look at this, all right? Look at the balance of money that I have not even withdrawn. $788. How would you like to make $9,401 just like me? All right. Now, what is this business all about? Let's go straight to my dashboard. Now, this system is called the OLSP system. Can you see that? Let's clear this out of your way. This is called the OLSP system, and you can see already I have a balance of $788, and it's growing. It's amazing, right? Now, what do I do to make all this money? I just promote one link, and that is what you see here. It's called your MegaLink, and it only costs $7. And I'm not kidding you, just $7. One-time payment. All right. Now, when you join this system today, okay, you will just pay $7, and you are going to get training courses, right? Imagine paying only $7 for so many training courses, and you can see the courses. A lot of training on MegaLink, list building, videos, Facebook. You see all this training, you are going to get everything for just $7. All right. Now, that is not all. Now, by promoting one link, which is your MegaLink, that's the link here. Now, you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams, which is powerful, really, really powerful and amazing. From over 7 different income streams, and that is amazing. Let me see if I can show you some of those commissions. Let me come back to the commission level here. Let it load. All right, so you can see that. Then I'm going to quickly do a block. I'm going to block, I want to block some information. All right, so quickly look at the way the commissions keep coming in from multiple income streams. Can you see that? You can see all these commissions. You can even see dates, everything, the way the commissions are coming in and they are building up and up and up. That is what I mean. You only promote, so you only promote one link, but you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams, guys. This is powerful. Okay, now when you promote that one link and you make commissions, this company is awesome because they pay you consistently, regularly. Let me show you some of those commissions that I have earned because I'm promoting this OLSP MegaLink system. Now look at these commissions here. Let's quickly come here. So yeah, now look at this. This is from the Wayne Crow Limited. So this is Wayne Crow Limited here, okay? And he's the owner of the OLSP system. And when I got commissions, look at the payment I received from this company. Can you see that? $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But that is not all. Let me show you other payments that I received. Look at this. This is $1,508 commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Let me show you more. Look at this. This is a $1,000 commissions that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. So when you promote this $7 business, you will be able to earn all these type of commissions and you will get paid straight to your bank account. All right, but let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a $642 commission that I was paid by the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at another one. Look at this. This is a $2,000 commissions that I was paid by the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's check another one. Look at it. This is a $679 commission that I was paid by the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at this. This is another $1,000 commission that I received straight to my wife's bank account from the Wayne Crow Limited. So if you want to start earning commissions just like this, you are ready to get started. And remember, it costs you only $7 one-time payment to join this particular online business. So if you are ready right now, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, what you want to do quickly, go straight. Yeah, once you come below this video that you are watching right now, just go to the description. You see the description below? Yeah, just come straight to the description below. So where you see step 1, you see step 1, join the OLSP $7 system. What you want to do quickly, go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now, once you click the first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. All right, now once you get here, it's very simple. All you have to do, just come to where it says enter your name and your email below to discover high. Just go ahead and fill up your details here, put in your name, then put in your best email address here. Then you see that red button that says get instant access. Go ahead and click that. Now once you click that, that will now bring you straight to the OLSP system. Okay, just give it a minute to load. Some of these internets are slow when you're doing live. It's so amazing. So that will now bring you to this OLSP website. And all you need to do, as it says here, you can go ahead and watch the training video. But to join this system, all you need to do, you come to this orange button that says click here to get instant access. And how much is this system? Just $7. One-time payment, $7, and that is all. So go ahead, click that button, join the OLSP $7, and that is it. All right. So if you and get your MegaLink, easy peasy. And then once you pay your $7, your own system will be created just like mine. All right. Now, if you have any question concerning this system, leave it in the comment section. I will respond to the question. If you like this video, click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.